Okay, this is a fairly large plant here, and what we need to do is we need to remove, disbud some of these leaves so that we have the plant not trying to push out energy into the leaves and focus more on the root system and rooting for when we actually want to transplant it. So the technique that I'm going to do here is I'm going to actually cut back some of these bigger leaves, but I'm going to look to leave some of these smaller leaves that are coming through. I'm going to take off all these large ones and cut them back, but I'm going to leave a few of these younger leaf plants, and I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with them after I get a few more leaves cut off of this nice clump of hosta here. Hostas really do love the shade, and they add a lot of brightness to a shade garden and texture too, because you can see the ribbed leaves here, how they're kind of puckered. They're not really noted for their flowers, although some do have nice flowers. But they're mostly noted for their leaf coloration and texture. So what I'm going to do to some of these ones that I still have left on the plant, to minimize evaporation, I'm actually going to cut the leaf in half so that it's only half the plant. I'm going to trim that down just like this, and I'm going to do that to several of these leaves here. The reason why I do that is that it kind of tricks the plant to think that it's still, in its full state of liveliness. And but here again, we want it to send energy into the roots so that it can push up new growth, and also just not, go into shock, because once we dig that root system there, there could be some wilting, so we're trying to minimize the wilting that may occur.